start and let's see who we get. What is up, guys? Yes, cydia coming with another video, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to be picking the winner for the last time. I basically what I did was I told people to comment on this video, and it basically got like 300 views, and I don't know how many people commented though. Like, let's see. So 15 people commented on the videos. Out of those 15 people, I'm going to pick up one person, and basically the winner will have to be subscribed to my channel, be on follow my Twitter, so that I can give him all the information that he needs, or he or she needs, to get the Harry Potter safe data. So with that being said, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do not get more videos just like this. And I'm also going to be telling you guys something new that just came up like a day ago. A lot of people didn't really know about it. So with that being said, guys, let me just pick these all right, let's get started. So all we gotta do now is just tap on start filter, whatever. So it says stop raffle and pick a random winner. So we're gonna tap on start and let's see who we get. Who do we get? Who do we get? Who do we get? Come on, come on. And his name is KW Washtik. He says, what is this cheating? So basically what you need to do, KW Blastic, is just go on my Twitter account and just DM me, and I'll give you the files to the game, and basically you're gonna get all the saves game. So basically I have a video right here which will instruct you to how to like apply your save game. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys something else. So basically there's like another way of reassigning your apps. So what I want to do is just show you guys right here, and then the person who was who figured this out was basically a random person just randomly commenting on this dude's video, and this dude's video is like basically right there somewhere. It's gonna be like right there, and basically what he talks about, like how you can reassign your apps without even using any application, any like cydia extender. You don't even really need none of that stuff anymore, because now you can like be able to reassign your app super easily. What you need to do is basically go on your settings, and guys, once you're on your settings, all you got to do is you want to go on to Safari. So you want to go on, you're not just going down until you find Safari, and then once you're on there, you want to go down until you find clear history. And once you have done that good jazz, now then you have to switch over to airplane mode. Once you have turned on your airplane mode, basically you are not going to be receiving this error. You cannot open something that has been revoked, so basically you're not going to be getting that error that's keep popping up, or like whenever an application is revoked. So guys, this is basically a really quick fix to fixing your app from not getting revoked all the time. So basically, if you have an app that is really just bugging you and it just keeps like getting revoked all the time, then just use this method. Just clear your browser's history, and once you have done that, then all you got to do is just turn on the airplane mode to get all the good stuff, and just get yourself back to using Spotify or any other application that you normally use all the time. So anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video, and I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like, and if you didn't, please leave a dislike. Thank you again for watching this video. TSGI said is signing off.